All right. I just want my son to taste some regular red hot. But he really don't know how hot it is. All right, let's go. Hoover hot. Can he handle it? Stand right there. Look at his face. Y'all quit drinking the juice. You cheating. Y'all, he in the bathroom. He can't handle it.
Don't watch this. Don't watch this. Don't watch this.
Move.
I should never did this.
Whoa. Y'all, it's hot. Bring me the jar so they can see what you just. Only if y'all can smell it. If y'all can smell it. This is the hot sauce. Woo, boy! And then you got the nerve to drip it. Go get me something to wipe that up with. You doing too much. He can't handle it. But he about to get a whooping messing with me.
Mommy.
What? It's hot, y'all, though. Boy, you done drunk the whole thing. I said take some. You drunk the whole thing. He about to throw up. Y'all heard it. That's how hot it is. It make you throw up and everything. But it's a good taste to it. But it's hot. All right, that's enough pop. You better go drink some water. Trying to drink up all my pop. Yes, y'all. And I ain't talking Louisiana hot.
Y'all, I'm about to throw up so bad. It's coming.
Oh.
Did you make it throw up once or twice?
I don't know. He love hot stuff. He like hot takis, so
Hot tacos.
I give him a hot taki, okay?
Don't try this at home, y'all. Don't try this at home.
You is at home.
I'm just telling you, he was out there.